first noticed in this 2002 Saturn S-Series. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Run all over town and back home again without worrying about filling up when driving this fuel-efficient ride. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power steering, an AM/FM stereo, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.